Hey, yo, note. Hey, I think these are probably the best sixes for 2022. And I honestly think that these are gonna fly. For real. Yeah, they are. Yeah, they are. These gonna be gone for sure. Let's check it out. Let's check it out right now. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy. It is your kid, Nephrite. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I really do hope you guys are having a very blessed day. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, and the reason you clicked on this video is because I am bringing you guys another sneaker review. But not only that, I'm bringing y'all an early sneaker review at an upcoming pair of Jordans that are releasing this Saturday, March 5th for a whopping 210, which sheesh, I think is a little bit steep. However though, for this silhouette, I'm not the craziest for the silhouette, but the color blocking I absolutely love, and I think the color blocking is the real reason why these probably will sell how they're gonna sell. But today we're gonna be looking at the Air Jordan 6 in the University Blue colorway, or aka if you want to call it the UNC colorway. Now, like I said, I think that these are going to be an instant seller for sure. I'm kind of 50-50 because when it comes to Air Jordan 6s, I do like them, but I'm not the craziest, like, you know, fan over them. However, this colorway is really nice. I did see official images, and I also did go over on the community poll, and I did post a poll and asking you guys, what do you think about them? And you guys are all for them. So I'm gonna see, since I have them in hand right now, I'm gonna see how they look, and then we're gonna make my decision if, well, are these worth the hype, or are they just basically just you know, there's more stuff better coming out. So without further ado, let's dive into this review right now. Let's go. So first and foremost, before I even dive into these Air Jordan 6 University Blues for you guys, I want to go ahead and let you guys know, appreciate you for all the love and support that you guys show the channel. It really does mean a lot. I think we're getting ready to creep up on 1,400 subscribers right now, and I just want to say, like, I really can't thank you guys enough. You guys are seriously amazing. The goal this year that I am trying to shoot for is 5 to 10K, and even if we don't hit that goal, I just want you to know every milestone and every progress we make, it means a lot to me. So thank you guys so much. Also, if this is your first time checking out one of my videos, make sure you do like this video and you do subscribe. That way, anytime I drop any more videos, you guys will be the first to be alerted. So appreciate you guys so much for that. So now, enough talking, let's dive into these. But first and foremost, I always like to as well be color coordinated with the products that I review. You know, as much as whatever the product color is, I try to match it to the best that I can. That's why I'm wearing my Jordan shirt, as you can see. So these are the University Blues, so I'm gonna get my headband on right now and let's dive straight into it. Let's go. Alrighty, boom, bada bing, right there. Alright, so I do got my UNC headband on. These are UNC, so that's why I did pick this headband of choice. Let's go ahead and get our knife right here and let's dive into this box, cut into it. So like I said, I did go ahead and, actually no, I didn't say it, but these did release they released this Saturday, March 5th. However, Nike, over on Nike sneakers, they did, like last week, a exclusive access, and I was able to go, not exclusive access, they did a shock drop, excuse me, and I was able to go ahead and actually hit that shock drop. From what I saw, a lot of people did take a lot of W's, and a lot of people did actually secure them, so that's good. But from what I'm also seeing as well is, normally right after a shock drop, you'll see official images load up over on Nike sneakers, but I'm not seeing that right now. So I don't know if they're gonna push these back or not. Other retailers like Finish Line, Foot Locker, Champs, they are loaded for the 5th of Saturday of March. So I don't really know what's going on Nike's end, but it's kind of strange. However though, ooh, look at the box. Look at the box though. The box is nice. With them being UNC, that's why you do have the UNC colorway over on the box, all light blue, and then you do got your white Jumpman smack in the middle. Let's look all around the box as well. You got the UNC, then you do got the cement right there, and then you also do have the Jumpman logo right there, and it does say Air. So it's basically like your regular Air Jordan 6 box, just with the UNC colorway, all of it. So let's go ahead and actually take a dive into the size description. Let me read that for you guys right now. So size description does read Air Jordan 6 Retro University Blue, white, black, and I did go ahead and get a 10.5, and in women's this is a 12. Let me go ahead and read you guys the SKU code for those that are concerned about that as well. So the SKU code does read CT85295110, and then let me actually turn this around so you guys can see. Like I said, I did go ahead and get a 10.5. When it comes to Air Jordan 6s, I usually go true to size. However, personally for me, the reason why I go a half size down is just because I kind of like a snugger fit. I kind of like my shoes to fit a little bit tighter on me. If you don't like that, go true to size and you will be fine, I promise you. So let's go ahead and actually give you guys a different perspective. As you can see right here, the box is amazing. The box is literally, I remember this box literally reminds me of the Air Jordan 3 UNC, like when you have the light blue and then you do have the Jumpman in the middle right there. Let's go ahead and actually pull these back. Woo! Okay, nothing crazy. You just got your regular speckle, your cement tissue paper right there, as you can see. Let's actually dive these right now. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, these are nice. These are nice. These are nice. I like them. I'm not crazy for them. These will for sure sell out. I'm not crazy, but they're nice for sure. Let me go ahead and actually get up the left real quick. Let me actually put everything up, and then we will take a closer look into it. Hold on. Alrighty, here we go right here. Here are the UNC 6s. Oh, these are nice though. I do like them. Dude, these look exactly like the Carmine 6s that dropped last year. Oh my goodness, like literally they took the Carmine and rather than it being, you know, that red and white, they just took it and it's now just blue and white. That's crazy though, that's crazy. They just really took that. That's pretty cool. So what do you want to go ahead and actually, what do we want to review for you guys? Left, or do we want to review right? I feel like the left looks better, honestly, today. Let's go ahead and actually put this one down and let's go straight into it. So looking at the outsole starting, you do have your white outsole right there, and then you do also have your icy blue hits right there, and then you also have the UNC Jumpman right there. Nice touch on it. Looking at the midsole, as you come up, you have a all black midsole right there. Not all black, but you have your black hit right there for the midsole, and as you come up even more, you do have your toe box, which is done in the UNC color. Then you have UNC, then you also do have your white right there, and it comes, as you look in the back, you do have your stitch tag, which I do like this, and a lot of people are saying that this kind of makes the shoe a little tacky, which personally, I don't think so. I think it adds different uniqueness to it, because normally we do have, you know, the Jumpman, or we will have the Nike Air, but for them to take the tag and actually go ahead and put it in the back brings uniqueness back there. Then as you look at the pull tab or the spoiler, you can see it has the UNC color that goes right there. Looking at the front of it, the toe box, like I said, is UNC. You do have white laces. You also do have your lace lock right here, which is kind of like in a midnight blue lace lock right there. Look closer so you can see. And then you think, what I think is actually interesting too is you come up as well, you kind of have like a multicolor tongue right here. Can you guys see that? I think that's actually pretty cool, and as you turn around, you do have a different texture at the back as well. I think that's really cool. Let me go ahead and actually take out the shoe tree. Looking at the insole, you have like a multicolor insole, same as the tongue right here. If you guys can see that, you also do have your size tag in there. Like you can see, I did get a 10.5, and these are nice. These are honestly really nice. I think that these are for sure like going to be a seller, because anything UNC when it comes to Air Jordans always sells out. Comment down below and let me know what you think about it. Looking at that pull tab back there, well, not pull tab, but the tag they have, team quality inspired by the greatest basketball player ever. Get you guys a closer look right there. Yeah, these are clean. These are clean. I would say as far as Air Jordan 6s, and I'm not the biggest 6 head, but as far as like Air Jordan 6s go, these are probably going to be the best ones for 2022. I haven't seen any more of the 6s that actually caught my attention like these, so I think these are probably going to go ahead and actually go down as one of the best Air Jordan 6s for 2022 though, at least. Comment down below, let me know what you think about them. Let me go ahead, and I also want to do a small little comparison too, because I'm telling you, these look so much like the Carmines. Let me get my Carmines for you, hold on real quick. All right, so I do have my Carmine 6s right here just for comparison purposes, and like, yeah, that's crazy. They literally just took this color and threw it on here, but made it the UNC blue. That's funny. That is funny. I would much rather have a Nike Air. I kind of feel maybe they could have took that and threw it on here, but I think the tag, like I said, it makes this a unique and different shoe in its own way. So comment down below and let me know what you think about the University 6s. Are these one that you definitely need, or is this a pass in your opinion? I think as far as if you're a UNC collector, I feel like, yeah, these are definitely for you. But as far as like, is this the craziest colorway on a 6? No, but it is nice though. It is nice for sure. You will be able to get a lot of fits and wear in this. So like I said, comment down below and let me know what you think about these University 6s. Man, I cannot wait to actually get these on feet for you guys. I'm actually getting ready to go ahead and break away to an on feet review, but before I do want to give you guys a closer perspective at these Air Jordan 6 University blues, just in case you want to make your decision come Saturday if you want to go ahead and purchase them or not. Check them out right here. Like I said, I'm not really crazy for 6s, but this colorway is nice, especially with it having that UNC color blocking. These will for sure be a seller. I think as far as the sneaker goes, if I had to pick one characteristic that's very special to me about this shoe that I like the most, is probably, even though I know a lot of people in the community are not really fond of it, but I think it's the tag at the back. I think the tag just gives it a lot more uniqueness, like for real. It just makes it different. Like it really makes it more of a collections piece. I feel like I would actually keep this for a collections piece rather than actually wearing it, to be honest. But like I said, at the same time, you will be getting a lot of fits and nice put togethers with this as well. So like I said, comment down below and let me know what you think about the University blue. So this is going to conclude today's video over the Air Jordan 6 University blue. Comment down below and let me know what you think about these. These are for sure going to sell. These are for sure going to sell. I know it's a university, it's a UNC colorway. They're gonna boom. They're going to boom. Like I said, comment down below, let me know what you think. I really do appreciate you guys for pulling up to the channel. It really does mean a lot. Also, I know I've stated like my other videos before, but if you haven't already, make sure you do tap in with the channel, because I do keep you guys posted over there as much as I can on like sneaker news and polls, and the engagement is what I really love for you guys, so that's why I keep doing it. So go tap in with that. I'm gonna take probably a lot of beauty shots with these. You'll probably see them over on the poll as well, over on my Instagram as well. So if you haven't followed me, go follow me over there. But yeah, here they go right here. Like I said, comment down below, let me know. Appreciate you guys so much for all the love and support that you show me. Gonna break away to the on-feet review right now. Remember, there's only ever gonna be one you, so be the best you. And until next time, it's your boy, it's your kid, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
Gems with the heat.